So guys, Fahad bhai has just arrived. We ordered our 2 hoodies last month in December from Semmelweis University. Now we are opening our orders. Fahad,
So it's time to unbox.
unbox.
Finally, after a lot of wait and emails, this is small.
Small one.
Yeah.
It is for me.
And this one medium. It's mine.
It's medium. Medium.
This is the case.
Looking good.
Let's see.
Semmelweis age item.
1769.
It is, I think, when university was made.
Overall condition is good, but let's see after one wash or two wash how it responds. Because usually it either loses or it shrinks after washing. But I mean,
But I think quality is good.
yeah,
They are not cheating with us.
yeah. It costs 10,000 for it. It's not that cheap, so it should be good. Yeah, let's try it.
So guys,
I think blue embroidery is good. I think so, but I mean it's.
I am opening my order alone. Fahad is not helping me at all.
Oh,
You are looking so cute.
oh
Fahad,
thank you. मैं कहने लगा से यार पंजाबी से.
it is not Punjabi, bro. It is English. English.
I know, but the word I need to say is in Punjabi. I don't know how to say it in English. As now Murshid has put his hoodie on. I think it's great. I mean, the major problem we usually have to deal with the size, but I think the size is perfect. Yeah, it's good, and the quality is also not that bad. It's good.